Welcome to this ENGL Imaging Toolkit video. In this video we will set up and deploy a machine using a custom deployment and deliver applications using Liquit Workspace. We will start by configuring a project. Before we create a new project, we need to confirm the integration type is set to Custom Deployment Solution. We can now launch the new project wizard, select the desktop management version, select the OS you wish to deploy, enter the Windows details. Configure the Active Directory details. Update the project details where required. Save the project template. The expert view is now displayed. The expert view lets us view and modify project settings. We can specify an AD temporary OU that is used during the deployment process. Configure localization settings. Add additional user accounts. We need to add the Liquit Agent MSI, XML configuration file and a PowerShell script that will launch the installation and send status updates. We add the three files to the Custom Files area. Then configure the application's install command line to run the PowerShell script we added to the project. We can also configure a deployment monitor server. This allows us to monitor a machine as it is being deployed. We will use the Liquit Workspace to deliver a set of applications during the deployment process. Log in to the Liquit Workspace. Select Manage. In the Automation section, select Deployments. We have a build_process deployment set up already using applications created from the Liquit Setup Store. This lists the applications that will be installed during the deployment process. Filters can be added to each package to ensure that the package is installed based on machine architecture. This lets us have one standard deployment configured for both x86 and x64 machines. We will now deploy the project to a machine. Select the project you wish to restore. Enter the computer name if it is not set. The machine will now be rebuilt. Once imaging has completed, the deployment process continues. We have 5 main phases to the Windows side of the deployment process. Custom scripts can be applied at each phase. The keyboard and mouse can be locked down. Error detection is also enabled. In phase 0, hotfixes and drivers are installed. The computer name is set along with the time zone and regional settings. The machine is joined to Active Directory, if configured. The Liquit agent is installed and then runs the appropriate deployment to install applications. Any additional customizations can then be processed and the machine is cleaned up ready for use. Deployment Monitor is used to monitor the deployment process. The machine has built successfully and the build information has moved to the history view. Detailed status information on the deployment process can be viewed. The machine has now built successfully. We can log in using an AD account. The Firefox icon is on the desktop and was installed by Liquit. The Liquit workspace loads and lets us run the Windows calculator. For more information on Imaging Toolkit and our other products, please check out www.engl.co.uk.